506, turn right heading 040, clear to 07.
Right, 040, clear to ILS 07. Spinner 506, approaching.
Check. Yeah, very nice one.
You got it?
I got it. Oh, the glass cloak's already alive.
Check. I think he turned us in a little bit too
Early.
tight, so we might want to descend to 2500, but
Yeah.
we will see. Or maybe it's just perfect.
Maybe it's just perfect. Flaps then.
Speed check, 5%.
And yeah, look like it's one.
Check. 5% set. Actually, it's just perfect.
Yeah.
I take everything back.
Gear down.
Get up.
Yeah.
Gear up. Gear is down.
Check. The flaps 20.
Flaps 20. Flaps 20 set.
Check.
Spin 566, established 07.
0506, thank you. Correct tower 129.805, goodbye.
29805, goodbye. 805. Tower, good evening, spinner 506, established ILS 07.
Spinner 506, one circuit avond, wind 060 degrees 9 knots, runway 07, clear to land.
Goedenavond and clear to land 07, spinner 506. Right, stop.
Yeah, so.
It's all on camera, man.
Yeah, shit. Ja, 6 Mr. Welsh altitudes. En tickets above.
5,000.
Ja.
5,000. And tickets above.
Flap 35.
Lap 35. Lap 35, sir.
A landing checklist was completed.
Not yet.
No. Okay.
The landing checklist. Ice protection is off. Prop sinker RPM reverse ready.
Yeah.
Gears down 3 greens. Yep, 3 greens.
Trigger in affirm.
Flaps 35 set indicating 35. Cabin crew signal is given. 8B yaw damper is off. Vents the flows come off.
Thank
And
you.
Landing checklist complete. Right, 10 knots on the nose.
Check.
yet?
Stabilized.
And runway 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock landing.
RPM to
RPM section.
taxi.
Guess lock.
Dinner 506, vacate via the end and taxi to position 8 via Alpha and Delta.
For Alpha and Delta, position 8, vacate via the end, spinner 506.
Cheers.
Cheers, have a great evening. Thank you.